trust me.
Yeah, alright, check it out. Weather murderers, a house, cats, hot dogs, and tennis shoe. The big ambivalent to the 51 bus, which used to be the 27, 65, 940, 71, and the other popular 275. 5, ooh, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Biggie, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Big 5, 5, 5, 5. I wrote this poem. I wrote this poem. I wrote this poem. I wrote this in a swarm. I wrote this poem. I wrote this poem. I wrote this poem. I wrote this in a swarm of bees.
Tell me about yourself. When was the first time you lost something expensive? Have you ever been, or are you being stung by a flock of bees?
The mannequin hand ends out her mouth. They've got drugs, he's got something to jog about. The blah, 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 the mouse. Meanwhile, movie stars race taxis in the name of non-astronomy. There's a squirrel still alive in your roof, and there's a mole in your boss. The 32-hour Sunday like Shakespeare or aspirin, a day for doubting landing planes. The more I think about suicide. The more I think about suicide. The more I think about suicide. The more I think about suicide.
Sorry, man.
It's alright.